everyone, welcome to my channel and I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video I am going to unbox as well as review the newly launched and sent products by Scent Botanica to me. So they have recently sent me two of their products. If you guys are following me in the Instagram, you guys must be knowing because I have already done an unboxing video of these products. So first up we have this Scent Botanica Robusta coffee peel off mask. So this is the mask looking like, and the second stuff we have the Scent Botanica vitamin C and vitamin E included hyaluronic acid included brightening night cream. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing the first impression about these products. Also I am going to trying out this product in front of you guys in the live in this particular video. So if you guys are interested and want to know about the product in details, then please continue watching. So let me start with the packaging of the Robusta coffee peel off mask. Now this is infused with caffeine as well as cocoa butter. So caffeine is a very nice antioxidant ingredient, as well as cocoa butter is very nourishing ingredient. So the whole mask contain 100 gram of the product and the price of this is 499 rupees, which is a mid-range product in my opinion. So the Scent Botanica products are completely pure extracts, no paraben, no animal testing, no mineral oil, no sulfate and no silicone. So they are 6 harmful chemicals and harmful things free, which is a great yay from my side. So this comes in this kind of cardboard packaging which looks like very luxurious. All the ingredient list of the products are mentioned at the side of the packaging, as well as how to use, caution, storage, everything along with the overall information and its like claim. I'm just quickly read out the how to use part of this product. So they said that on freshly cleansed and dry face and neck, evenly spread the face mask. Avoid the eye area. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes until the face mask completely dries up. Gently peel off the face mask from the side of the face, like from the chin and that portion. So it has complete ingredient list. So it has caffeine, aloe as well as citrus extract. Then it also has, I think, purified water and some good ingredient like multani mitti, which sounds really promising. So they have said that this face mask kind of detoxify your skin and give that perfect glow. So I'm just going to open it up and apply it all over my face. So I have completely cleaned up my face and this is the face mask looks like. Inside comes in this kind of body tube with a gold cap, which you have to just open to dispense the product out from it. Today I have nothing on my skin. My skin is completely cleared and dry because I have just washed it with some face wash, which is really mild, and I have completely cleared skin, no makeup, nothing. I have just put on some lipstick, otherwise I will look really weird. So anyway, so today I'm going to try out this face pack. So I'm just gonna open it and remove my glasses. I'm going to apply it evenly with my fingertips on all over my face. So the formula is really runny. As you can see, this is kind of a very runny, like it's completely sleeping over from my hands, and this texture is really good. It has a little bit of coffee particles, like the scrub particles, as you can see just right here. So yes, smells like exactly coffee beans, like your pure raw coffee beans. It's really heaven. So yes, without further talking, I'm just going to apply it in all over my face. So I have just completed applying the face pack. I'm just thickening the layer in that region so that it will become easier to pull off the entire mask. So as you can see that I have applied the whole face pack in all over the face, including the neck area and the side locks area. So I'll be waiting for 10 to 15 minutes as said, so that it becomes completely dry. The texture of the face mask, as I showed you, it's really thick and tacky, so it can be a little difficult for a lot of you to apply it with your fingertips. So in that case, you can apply your face pack brush to evenly distribute it to all over your face. Waiting for 10 to 15 minutes, and till then I am going to talk about the second product, which is sent to me by Scent Botanica. So this is their vitamin C and vitamin E hyaluronic acid brightening night cream. The outer packaging looks like, I mean, look at it, it's really beautiful and so floral, like I am just looking forward to try it basically. So it is infused with vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, shea butter, pure oils like olive oils, then extra virgin oils, almond oils, etc. for nourishing agents, and as well as natural extracts of green tea, moringa, as well as aloe vera. Like the previous product, this is also paraben free, no animal testing, no silicone, no mineral oil, and no sulfate. So the price of this product is 1199, and you'll be getting 50 gram of product. I mean, this is really pricey aside. 1199 means almost 1200 rupees, which is really pricey. So we will be seeing today whether this product is worth the price or not. Also, the shelf life mentioned is almost 1 2020 to 12 2021. I mean, approximately 2 years we can say that. So yes, after like it will be completely dry, I will be pulling it off and share my thoughts about this. Then I will be applying this night cream, and I'll be sharing the review of this night cream as well. So guys, I am back and my skin is like completely tight. Really, the face pack has been completely dried out. As you can see, it's started peeling off from the like outside of my lips. So I'm just going to peel it off nicely, and I'm starting from here, like my side locks area. Okay, it is quite easy to peel it off. It's not that painful, like I'm not feeling any pain, to be honestly. It's really soothing to peel it off. This is how the entire face pack is looking like in my life for the first time I can see that a face pack, like a peel-off mask, basically coming out so easily and intact. The little waste is here and there. I'm going to clean my face and I'll be right back with my opinion about this peel-off mask. So okay guys, so this is my complete clean face, and my face is like feeling so softer than before. Also, there is a very good smoothness, and it has not even dried out my face. It retains the moisture in it, though it is a peel-off mask. So basically it is a very good antioxidant because it has a caffeine in it. So I have some whiteheads and blackheads just right here, and the peel-off mask actually peeled them completely. So this is a great point from my end. So basically it's a good mask to try because it has all the good stuff, as well as multani mitti, which will be brighten up your skin, give that moisture, as well as soften up your skin. Last but not the least, it has vitamin E as well as aloe vera, which will soothe your skin, also provide you a clean, supple and healthy glow to your skin. So this face pack, or you can say this peel-off mask, is really good at this price point because price is really average, 499 rupees. You maybe get it on sale in different websites. I'll be linking below all the links of the website where this is available. So now let's move on to the night cream which I have, that is the Scent Botanica Vitamin C Night Cream. So this is a very luxurious packaging. It's completely gold. I really love when brands actually work on the small details of the product. So this feels really good and luxurious, and inside it there is a small cap, and here is the entire product. It's kind of a very pinky kind of undertone, and it's really creamy and soft. So as you can see, this is the texture of the product. It's kind of pink undertone, and it smells like matcha tea or a tea tree. and the smell is really soothing. A little bit of essential oil kind of smell is coming out from inside. So I'm just going to apply it in all over my face. Wow, it's actually giving me a cooling effect whenever I'm applying it. Also, I'm going to blend it out. It's really soft and really kind of a thick moisturizer. If you have extremely dry skin, I'm going to recommend it. And also, I have a oily to combination skin, and in this change of season my skin is feeling little bit of dry, so I think this is gonna work really amazingly. And see, as soon as I have applied the night cream, it provides a glow to my skin. My skin is looking so healthy and so nourished, which I'm loving. So guys, let me sum up a quick review of this night cream. So basically it has almond oil, vitamin E, vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, olive oil and all that good oil stuff which actually nourishes your skin and protect your skin, number 1 from UV ray, number 2 from pollution, number 3 from dust and impurities, and this speed your skin aging process, which is a really good thing. It has green tea which will be actually straightened up your outer layer of the skin and gives that firm to your skin so that your skin can hold the natural beauty for a long period of time. But not the least, it has Moroccan oil which actually give that strength and boost the elasticity of the skin. And as I can say that it's a very good cream as it smells very nice. And this is me trying it for the first time, so this is my experience on the first time. I have to try it out for like 1 week or 2 weeks minimum to share a proper review of this product. But on the first impression, I really like it. I really like the formula, the texture and the moisture it provides to me, and also the glow. You can see that healthy glow to my skin. So yes, this is the 2 products from the Scent Botanica which I have reviewed and have shared my first impression on these 2 products. I hope you guys really enjoyed this review and my first impression. If you guys like this, make sure to give it a big fat thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll be sharing the details as well as every single link about these 2 products in the description box below. Also, I will be using this night cream for 1 week and sharing my thoughts or after 1 week thoughts on my Instagram story or on my Instagram post. So make sure to follow me on my Instagram. So with that note, this is me Devadrita signing off for the day. If you guys like this video, I'm sure you have liked it because you are like at the end of this video. Make sure to check out all the videos linked below. I'm sure you're gonna love them too. So yes, I will see you guys super soon with brand new video. Until next time, bye, take care, stay happy and